Recording the sewer line here at 8031 and 8035 23rd Avenue Northwest. Date is January 25th, 2021. We're down in the Seattle City main. Sewer coming back up out of the main right here. So this is where the homeowner's responsibility between these two shared neighbors ends and the city takes over. We're going to zero out our footage right there at that point and come back into the line here for this home, or these two homes. We're going from the city's clay sewer stub into the 6-inch diameter concrete original pipe that was put in with these houses. Coming back in this 6-inch line now, we're going to get a good look at the sewer. We are totally missing the bottom of the pipe, about 6 feet off of the street. So this is something to take note of here that we will have to address. Coming back still from there, you come into a section of PVC, so there's been issues with this pipe in the past, hence this PVC repair that's under the road out there. Back into 6-inch diameter concrete again. Again, missing the bottom side of the pipe there on the right. So you can see how that concrete's worn thin and is now a hole in the side of the pipe at that point. Here we're coming back. There's a tie-in out there up on the left side of the screen there. I'm going to go locate that spot. We're going to pause the video briefly there. Locate this spot. Okay, continuing the recording now. That would appear to be where the main soil pipe for 8035 ties into the line there. So the main soil stack's coming in right there on the left. If we were to flush a toilet in 8035, we should see that coming through there. Coming back a little further, we're jumping back into 4-inch diameter pipe now. So you see we've got about 48 feet of 6-inch diameter line. Before we come back into 4-inch diameter, I'm going to zero out our footage here. We're now back in 4-inch diameter pipe. This pipe accommodates the kitchen line for 8035. And on the right side is a downspout. I'm going to go see if it's still active for 8031. That's the tie-in for an 8031 downspout up on the upper right side of the pipe or the screen. We're going to go locate that spot as well real quick. Pausing the video. Alright, we've got that located. It does look like a abandoned line for that downspout. They no longer use that. Coming back further towards our clean out now. Pipe's pretty rough along the bottom through that area. Not a whole lot of concrete left to it. There's a chunk of rock down in the pipe, probably from this original break. And there's not a whole lot of bottom of the pipe to there either. That's not much pipe left to it. Coming back now, we're coming into our PVC repair. So we'll call it about 18 feet, 19 feet of 4-inch diameter pipe before we jump into that 6-inch diameter. I'm going to pause the video, jump down in the hole, and try to run the camera upstream up the T connection we've made here. Pausing the video. Alrighty, so we have the I'm up the upstream as far as I can go on this kitchen slash downspout 3-inch diameter line. As we come back here, it's pretty full of mud. Both of the downspouts on the back of these homes have been abandoned, or not abandoned, but they're rerouted just to drain into, just to daylight out and drain onto the back patios there. I'm coming back here, and as I come back, eventually we're going to see we're going to see a spot where we've got the kitchen line for 8035 coming out. And my screen is covered in gook. So we are going to have to cover and clean it off and run it back up here in a second. Alright, I'm going to hop back down in the hole here. Okay. So jumping back from our 4-inch pipe into 3-inch diameter line. Got a little dirt and sludge in the line there. And you'll see it here if I can go slow enough. So this is the old abandoned downspouts. They're full of mud. And the screen's going to get covered with water as I come back here because I got the water running from the downstairs sink. But it's right there. It's where the line's coming out. So I'm going to zero out the footage there as well. Possibly. It's not cooperating. But we're at 20 there, 1911. Coming back. It's only, call it 5 feet from where this end of our repair is now back to where that kitchen line comes in. I'm going to locate the spot. And pause the recording again. Here.